Here's a yummy, yummy caramel chocolate mod leather spy coat, fitted, gorgeous, very glamorous, very old. Details galore, but oh so yummy and beautiful and fitted and unusual. So here's its label, and this lovely coat with its lovely lining, still in mint condition, measures 44 in length, 22 in sleeve, 16 across the shoulder. The bust measures 19 across, so it's a 38. The waist measures 17 across, and of course you can tie down the waist with the strap. So here's a really lovely fur coat. You're going to have to guess what the fur is, because I do not know. I know it's not rabbit. I definitely know that much because rabbit sheds and it isn't as furry soft as this. The coat measures 19 across the bust. It measures 16 across your shoulder. The sleeve is 23. And look how cool this collar stands up by itself. So I'm going to go over the issues with you. It has this thing here, which I feel